In October 2020, the city of Shenzhen, China selected 50,000 residents by lottery and dropped 200 yuan, about $30, into each of their phones as free digital money. It wasn't cash they could pull out and spend anywhere. It was a new kind of currency called the digital yuan, and it came with a rule nobody explained up front. If a person didn't spend that money within 9 days, it simply disappeared from their account. No warning, no extension. This wasn't a computer glitch. The expiration was written directly into the money's code as part of a government pilot for what's called a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Regular banks don't build timers into your paycheck, but a government-issued digital currency can, because every unit is programmed software the issuer controls from the moment it's created. Economists studying the Shenzhen test called it the first real-world proof that money can now come with strings attached. Here's what that means for an ordinary checking account. Instead of a dollar sitting quietly until you decide what to do with it, programmable money can carry built-in rules when it expires, which stores accept it, even whether it can be spent on things a government doesn't approve of. China has since expanded digital yuan trials to more than 25 cities, and some pilots have restricted spending to specific merchant categories, like groceries or public transit only. New one drops every day, so subscribe now if you don't want to miss what's coming next. Because programmable money isn't staying inside China's borders anymore, it's already spreading. In 2023, the Federal Reserve quietly switched on FedNow, an instant payment system wired directly into the U.S. banking network. Officials insist it isn't a digital dollar, but it runs on the exact same rails a digital dollar would need: real-time transfers between banks, tracked centrally, moving in seconds instead of days. More than 900 banks and credit unions had connected to it within the first year. 9 countries have already fully launched their own central bank digital currency, and the Atlanta Federal Reserve has openly published research into programmable features like spending limits, geographic restrictions, and yes, expiration windows on money. Comment below and tell us honestly, would you trust a paycheck that came with a countdown clock attached to it? Back in Shenzhen, those 50,000 residents spent 9 frantic days trying to use free money before it vanished from their phones forever. No official has confirmed the same countdown clock is coming to a U.S. checking account, but the wiring it would run on is already installed in most American banks. Hit the bell so you're the first to know if that clock ever starts ticking here.